Hi, I'm Captain Justin. Yep. And these are my and these are my sidekicks. That's right. Yep. And yep. And this video is about nature. Yep. From out from outdoors. That's right. Yep. And this, yeah, and this video is is on, yeah, and the and this video is only for Dave, yeah, only for Dave and I. Yep. And the name of this video is called What is the, yeah, what is the best thing, yeah, what is the best thing of nature? Yep. And it starts now. All right. What, yeah, what is nature all about? Nature, yeah, nature is about wildlife. Yep. And, yeah, and when you are outdoors and you are, yeah, and you are around nature, and all you, yeah, and all you hear is birds chirping, and you can feel the wind, and yeah, and when, yeah, when you're at the nature center in Faribault, there is a lot of nature at the nature center. All right. Um, for, yeah, for ex, for for example, like at the nature center, there there is there is a yeah there is a beach a beach at the nature center, and and at the yeah, and at the beach you can find rocks or seashells that you know that you can that you can co- that that sorry, that you can collect. Yep. Mm, but at at the nature center, there's there's also turtles there too. Yep. Mm, and and wild deer also. Yep. Mm, mm, and yeah, and nat yeah, and nature is very important. Yep. And so is wildlife too. That is more. And that is more. And that's very important too. Yeah. Mm, and and yep and I yep mm, and I have and I have been taught that at the nature center you you can touch things, but you cannot take things. Uh, uh, yeah, you, you can touch things at the nature center, but you must not take things at the nature center. It doesn't belong to you. And that is what I have been taught from my P from my from my yeah, and that is what I have been taught from my PCA, and that is Dave. That's right. That's right. Mm, mm, oh yeah. And at the and at the nature center, you can go for you can you can go for walks and go on hikes at the nature center. Yep. Mm, and yeah, and you can yeah, and you can have a picnic at the nature center. Yep. Right by. Yep. right by the beach. That's right. Yep. Yep. And there are things that you have to pack up before you go on hikes. Things like bottled water and sunscreen. Yep. And pack up pack up some fruit and fruit and sandwiches and bottled water again. And a few snacks to 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 keep you going on hikes. But sometimes sometimes you have to take breaks when you're on your hike. Yeah. Well, let's say if you're tired. Yeah. Let's say if you're tired, or you want to take a couple of minutes to take a break. Yeah. And that is what nature is all about. Yep. And again, this video is on. Yeah. And again, this video is only for Dave and I. And thank you for watching this video. And I love you, Dave. And stay active and drink more water or Kool-Aid. And thank you.